Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Lots of 2-word phrases and long words today. I've said a lot of times recently that does tend to make it easier because there's fewer different things they can refer to, but we'll see if it works out that way today. It might not, because nothing is immediately jumping out. That starts with Tom, Billy, Dan and Rich, they all start with names. That's a bit of a tenuous link. What else? Alice in Wonderland is. Oh, maybe it's nothing to do with Alice in Wonderland. I was going to say it's something about a mockingbird, a looking glass, and spectacles. They feel like they're together, and I think it's something to do with Alice. I just can't explain how. Although it might not be to do with. These two obviously use glass, but then looking glass has the word glass in. So that feels a bit too obvious. What else? A talkie? Is that like an old-fashioned name for when films started to have words rather than being silent films? I don't see any other film-related words. That is abbreviated to WC. Again, I'm not sure I can see anything else that could be abbreviated. I might just have to go for these 4 just to see if it is a group, because we need to do something. It is, they start with nicknames. Interesting. Okay, so a mime sort of could be with a copycat and a mockingbird. I suppose it could be with a talkie as well. Or a court jester. Because they're all sorts of like imitatory things, if that's even a word. I'm not really convinced. Mime and court jester I can see going together. Mockingbird and copycat feel a bit different, but I can't see a group of 4 that is along the same lines as mime and court jester. What else? We've got track, field. I don't quite know where I was going with that. Court and water. It's probably a group, isn't it? They're just places where sports events take place. Oh, it probably means that diamond goes in that group because Americans are obsessed with baseball and think that diamond is something different to a field. Oh, it's not. Okay. Or maybe it's diamond and court jester. I took out court jester because I thought maybe it goes with mime and mockingbird and copycat. I don't know. I feel like it has to be 4 out of those 5 because none of the others quite work, do they? Maybe let's take out field mouse. That's still 1 away. That's infuriating. So is it track record or water closet that comes out? It feels like it's got to be water closet, but I really don't know. It is, okay, they start with sports venues, that's what we said. Now, what on earth is water closet going to go with? It could still be. No, it wasn't these 4 that I was saying. A mime. Oh no, we've got rid of Colchester. That's what I was going to put in that group. That's why I can't work out what's going on. The T1000, is that not the Terminator? It might not be, in which case that explains why I've been barking up the wrong tree for a while. I don't see how it helps me, even if it is the Terminator. Talkie, a walkie-talkie, glasses. Water closet is a toilet or a loo. Not really sure how any of these link together. I'm kind of still thinking it's got to be these 4, but I'm really not convinced, and I'm really not convinced that the other 4 go together, but I can't see anything better, so we're going to try it. It's not right. Things that impersonate other things. Oh, the Terminator impersonated people, didn't it? So a copycat, a mime, a mockingbird. Oh, we almost had that with Colchester. I had 3 of those together. I just put the wrong 4th one in. And then I completely forgot about it and moved on to different things once I got rid of Colchester. And then the other old-timey names for things we still use. A looking glass, spectacles, talkie and water closet. I mean, I suppose that works. I'm not quite sure what talkie is an old-timey name for. But looking glass just is used still in the context of Alice in Wonderland or Alice Through the Looking Glass. So that's why it just never crossed my mind that it was an old-timey name. And then, yeah, spectacles, glasses, water closet, toilet, those work. Yeah, tricky ones at the end. Gettable, but tricky. But I did not get them. Let me know if you did better, because you can't have done worse. That is Connections. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.